Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Time check 6:55 in the morning here in Macau. So, super typhoon here. I didn't feel the suffer because first, the wind is not so strong. And then, the rain is not strong. And after that, I checked the weather update in Macau, KDE Macau. Now is signal number 10, but not so strong. So, I will update you later. So this is the live video here in the 25th floor of this high building. So take a look. Again, time check 6:55 or now 7 in the morning. Same time, Philippine time. Okay, so this is the update. Is it me? I am alone here. Since last night, I sleep at around 4 o'clock because I am checking the update. Checking the update of our Typhoon Ragasa. But I feel it's not super typhoon. So, okay, so take a look. Okay guys, ladies and gentlemen, I will update you sooner or later about the situation here in the country. We are now signal number 10 of Typhoon Ragasa this year 2025 September. Okay, so take a look. I want to show you what I am doing the other day before this typhoon. So something like this one for the protection, just in case if the heavy rain and the wind, just in case if the glass broken, cannot fall. Take a look. So not too strong. This signal number 10, this super typhoon Ragasa here in the country where I am now, it's not too strong. So, okay, and also not windy. Not too windy, I mean. And also the rain showers, it's not too strong, not same the other, so the other typhoon that it brings a lots of wind, but now it's not. So, this is it. But let's check. Let's wait later. Because this super typhoon, up to signal number 15. This is what I have seen in the news here in KDE Macau TV. So, now it's around 7 o'clock. But still not strong wind and not heavy rains. Pero abangan natin maya-maya kasi sabi doon sa balita ay aabot ito ng super typhoon na itong Ragasa ng signal number 15. But ayan, maya-maya natin tignan kasi kagabi guys, 4 o'clock na ako natutulog pero wala, mahina po ang ulan. O ngayon lang yan umuulan. O ayan, ngayon lang ito umuulan or kanina ng mga 5 o'clock. Nang umaga, wala akong tulog talaga kasi natakot ako. Anuhin mo na super typhoon. Oh my God. Nasa tok-tok ako ng building. Ay, ako lang mag-isa dito kasi yung mga busing ko ay nasa hotel sila for safety reason. Kasi ang balita kasi pinaghanda ang mga tao dito to all their residents to be careful. Especially living in the higher buildings. Ayan guys. I cannot open the window. It's because the windy. Otherwise, baka matanggal yung bintana, patay tayo. Susundin natin yung bili ng ating amo as a servant. We need to follow the rules of the employer. So, ayan. Wala namang masyadong damage. Tinitignan ko yung sa baba, yung mga puno. The trees, the branches of the trees are moving, but not same before, like, the wind was so strong and the mga puno ay nagsipagtumbahan ngayon, no. So, I'm thankful to God na hindi masyadong malakas, pero tignan lang natin ulit. Kasi, hindi naman, oh. Yan. Pabugso-bugso lang po yung hangin dito. Ayan. Pero abangan natin maya-maya kasi baka maya-maya hindi pa naglandfall. Ayan. So, sinong nakakita sa video ko kahapon na live video yun kahapon? I think 3:30 in the afternoon. Ano siya, di ba? Mainit. Super shine yung araw. Pero ito ngayon. 4 AM na ang mga pulis, nagro-ronda ang mga pulis, yung mga hindi pa nagko-close ng mga tindahan, pinipilit nilang pinapasara. So, ganito ang government dito sa Macau. Kung ano ang law nila, talagang law. At saka yung mga nila dito, gusto ko talaga ang nila, patakaran nila, kaya kahit itong bansang ito, kahit maliit ang bansang ito, pero maunlad sila kasi yung mga tao nila sumusunod. So, dito ako sa bansang ito, I am here in this country for 15 years since 2010. So, I am now 15 years here. So, dito ko lang nakita yung peace of mind. Kahit minsan may mga amo naman na hindi maganda. Hindi naman lahat amo perfect. But to be honest, dito ko lang natagpuan ang peace of mind. Ayan. Hindi ko feel yung super typhoon na ganito. Kasi na-experience ko, I have experience 2017, maraming mga damages, cars, kasi yung tubig umapaw, hindi sila nakapaghanda. Tapos ngayon kahit hindi malakas yung bagyo, talagang nilagay nila ng pinakamalakas para for safety reason. Ayan, oh. Super typhoon, pero hindi, parang wala lang, parang normal. Hindi ko masyadong narinig yung hangin na umuugong, hindi masyado. So, kaya hindi ako nagla-live ng update kagabi or kaninang madaling araw. Dahil okay naman. So, ayan. Live ito, guys. Live. Live tayo from Macau. Live tayo from Macau, China, and Hong Kong. So, take a look. Super typhoon, but I don't feel super typhoon. I didn't feel that this is super typhoon, so I'm thankful to God. Because we are safe here. I am alone here. So, ayan. Ayan, oh. Pabugso-bugso lang yung hangin, hindi siya talaga, Yung nakikita ko sa, sa Facebook yung post nung doon sa Pilipinas, sa Ilocos ata yun. Eh, dito hindi. Ayan, alam mo yung ano na yan, nakita nyo yung parang pula. Yan ay turbojet, Macau to Hong Kong. Hong Kong to Macau. Yan ang turbojet. Okay? Diyan, dito nagtatago sila kasi safety sila eh. At alam mo yung ano yan guys, itong mga building na yan. Tambak lang po yan ng ano, tinambakan ng nila yan pagkatapos nilagyan ng building. So, ang galing ng mga Chinese, ano. So, yan, nakikita nyo kung gaano kataas itong kinaroroonan ko. Ang building na ito, guys, umabot na yata ito ng 60 kasi dinugtungan nila. Kaya kung sa itaas man lang na pinakadulo ng building, ayoko. Nakakatakot na, guys. Pag nasa taas ka na, siguro yung tao, parang ano na eh, parang dots na sa tingin mo, pag nasa taas ka na, oh my God. May phobia na kasi ako sa ano eh, sa Typhoon. 2017 na yung building noon ay, maano talaga gumagalaw, parang duyan. So, 39th floor kami noon, so, parang ayoko nang maranasan pang muli. Eh, ako kasi, ayoko sana matulog dito dahil syempre, of course, I am alone. My employer was go away. They're away. They are in hotel for safety reasons. Pero naisip ko kasi na gusto kong maranasan yung super typhoon na tinatawag nilang aabot ng number 15. So now number 10 na, but nothing. Yan, wala masyado. Kita nyo yan? Pabugso-bugso ang yung hangin. O ayan, nauna na kasi ang ulan kasi last Sunday ay nauna na nung Sunday. Super lakas yung hangin doon nung Sunday. So, halos maghapon yung ulan na yun. So siguro, yun na. Kung may hangin lang noon, yun na yung typhoon. Pero wala. Yan, hindi siya masyado. So, hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating update at abangan maya-maya. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.